Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've seen my face for the first time, my name is Juliet. To my returning subscribers, hi, welcome. To my new subscribers, hi, welcome. And to those who are going to stumble on this channel for the first time, welcome. Please don't make this your last. So today's video is a DIY video. I'm going to be showing you how I mix my protein to steam my hair. I want to steam my hair. I've not steamed my hair in a while now, so I thought to carry you guys along and show you how I steam my hair. Yeah, for those who don't know, I have a natural hair, which you guys are going to be seeing in a bit. Yeah, I have a natural hair. I just use this hair bonnet to cover my hair. Yeah, it's because it's always good to use a hair bonnet to, cover your hair to help lock in moisture, retain moisture, and all of those good stuff. So today we'll be steaming my hair using just two products. Just two products. This is good for just not just natural hair, it's also good for relaxed hair. Any kind of hair you have, whether 4A, 4B, 4C, whatever type of hair you have, whatever texture of hair you have, this hair protein is very good. It's very effective. It's always good to steam your hair. It helps repair damaged hair and also keep your hair really soft and hydrated and also healthy. So let's make this hair protein together, guys. Yeah, let's go and make the hair protein together. Hi everyone, so these are the two products I'll be using for my hair protein. So I'm using coconut oil, pure coconut oil, and also hair mayonnaise treatment for weak damaged hair with organic herbs, olive oil, and egg protein. Yeah, so that's it. I'll be using my spoon to scoop this. So I'll be leaving all the measurements in the description box below. So please check out the description box for the measurement. So the next I'm going to add is coconut oil. You can also choose to use olive oil. Yeah, but I'm using coconut oil for this because I prefer using coconut oil. So we are just using about 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil. And you mix this together. Mix. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go in with my water. I'm going to be adding it in bits. If it's too thick, you can go in with more water. Some people use egg, but I don't like using egg. Reason being that if you add egg to this and you use warm water or hot water to wash your hair, you're going to find out that some of the egg products are still left on your hair. Like it's going to cook. The water is going to cook the egg on your hair. And the smell of egg, honestly, I don't like it. I don't want to be walking around smelling raw egg. And besides, this already has egg in it. It has egg in it. Can you see? Is it focused? Yeah, you can see. Treatment for weak, damaged hair with organic herbs, olive oil, and egg protein. Yeah. So I'm going to go in with more water because it's thick. If you think it's too thick or you feel it's too thick, you can go in with more water just to loosen it up. With more water. I made the hair mayonnaise much because I want to be generous with it. I don't always steam my hair, but when I do so, I make sure to be generous with the product. Let's add. So I added approximately 2 cups of water. And this is just okay. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to apply this all over my hair, which you'll be seeing soon. So this consistency is okay for me. Before you apply this on your hair, make sure that your hair is drenched with a lot of water. Usually I do this after washing my hair. This is the last thing I do. Yeah, you guys are going to be seeing it in a bit. So this consistency is just perfect. It's perfect. So now you want to start applying the hair protein on your hair. Make sure you do this in sections. So this is what our hair protein looks like. I'm going to be applying this bit by bit and using my fingers to go in. You want to be generous with the hair protein and also be patient with your hair so that the product will penetrate into your hair properly, just the way I'm doing right now. You don't need a comb for this. Your hands are enough. Please make sure that your hair is drenched with a lot of water before applying this hair protein. You don't want to apply it directly on your hair when your hair is dried. You're not going to see results and it's going to break your hair because your hair is going to feel really, really frizzy and that will break your hair. So make sure that your hair is drenched with a lot of water. Usually I do this when I'm done washing my hair. I don't dry my hair. I just go in with the hair protein immediately. So you want to use your fingers to, twist the hair. Once I'm done with this side of the hair, I'll repeat the same process with the other side of my hair. Make sure to do this in sections. It's a lot easier to do this in sections. You can see my hair feels really soft. That's why the twist is not holding. You should try this hair protein. Please avoid using egg directly on your hair. I tried it on my hair. Trust me, it didn't go well. Stop using egg directly on your hair. You don't need it. You do not need it. Trust me, you don't need eggs directly on your hair. And besides, by the time you use egg and you wash your hair with either warm water or hot, like warm water, of course you don't need hot water on your natural hair. You'll find out that the egg is going to cook and is going to leave a lot of residue on your hair. So you don't want to go about carrying cooked egg on your hair. So please avoid using egg directly on your hair. This hair mayonnaise I'm using for my hair protein already has egg, so trust me, you don't. So the next thing I'm going to do is to get a plastic bag. Like I said, this is a DIY video, so everything you'll be needing, trust me, you have it in your house. So you don't need a steamer to steam your hair. All you need is a plastic bag. Make sure you wrap your hair properly with a plastic bag. So once you're done wrapping your hair with a plastic bag, you're going to get a scarf and cover your hair with a scarf, just the way I'm doing. So once I'm done tying my hair with a scarf, the next thing I'm going to do is to get my hair bonnet and cover my hair with the hair bonnet. And that's it. I'm going to allow this on my hair for about 45 to 1 hour. I left this for 1 hour. So next thing is to wash it off. You guys, can you see the curls on my hair? I'm done rinsing the hair mayonnaise off my hair. I didn't use a shampoo. I just rinsed it off and that's it. Please make sure to try this and your hair is going to thank you for it. Your hair is going to feel really soft, feel really healthy. So if you're experiencing a lot of hair breakage, what your hair needs is this. Make sure to use a hair protein and steam your hair and your hair will definitely come back to life. Yeah, let me know if you'll be trying this. So after this, I'm going to use my hair oil and my hair butter. I have everything on my channel on how I make my hair oil and my hair butter. You can watch my videos and give it a try. So that's it, guys. We've come to the end of today's video. Please make sure to try this. Give me a thumbs up, share my video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.